Hello, in front of me I have a Realme Narzo 50A Prime, and I'm gonna show you how to add and remove the Google account on this device. Let's start by opening the settings on our phone. To do it, swipe upwards on the screen to open the app menu, and then tap on the settings icon. In settings, scroll down, find the option called Accounts, and tap on it. Here tap on Add Account. Select the Google because we want to add the Google account. Of course, you need to have the internet connection to do this, so make sure that your Wi-Fi or 4G is enabled. And now tap on here, enter the email address or account name. Then tap Next. Now we need to enter the password, so let's enter it. And once you enter the password, you can tap on Next to continue. Here tap on I agree. You can enable or disable the backup to the Google Drive, my bad. So enable it or disable it, and then tap on Accept. You need to scroll down for the Accept button to appear, and once you're done, tap on Accept. And as you can see, the Google account was added. And to remove the account, simply open the settings, open the accounts menu, select the account you want to remove, tap on remove account, tap on remove account, and tap on OK. If you have some kind of protection enabled, enter the PIN, password or pattern, or use the fingerprint sensor to confirm. And after a second or two, your account should be removed. And that's how you add or remove the Google account on this device. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video.